In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Safari default search engine. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll all the way down until you find Safari. Now here you can easily find Search Engine. And from here you can select any search engine from that list. By default, search engine set to Google, so I can open up Safari web browser and I can now create new tab and then search for something, let it be ocean. Then I can hit on Go, and now as you can see, Safari browser use google.com. I can go back now and change the search engine to let it be DuckDuckGo. So let's go back to Safari, let's create new tab and search for the same request. I'll hit on Go, and now web browser use DuckDuckGo as default search engine. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.